Good morning children, welcome back. Okay, our class is 7th class, our subject social studies, and our lesson is Africa. Yes, in the previous class, yesterday class also, we are talking about the Africa. Now you know about the Africa. What is the Africa? The Africa is in India's life continent, the largest continent in India's life. Yes, it is the largest continent. And moreover, in the Africa, what we will see? We can see in the Africa deserts, long life trees, evergreen forest, and heavy rainfalls, animals, that all seen where in Africa. Yes, in Africa we can see this all. And yesterday in the map we are also knowing about the heavy rainfall, moderate rainfall, and less rainfall. Means scanty rainfall, heavy rainfall, and moderate and scanty rainfall is the same, but we have to call the moderate rainfall and the scanty rainfall. And moreover beta, and we can talk in the map now. Three types of maps we can see. In the map 3 only we can see heavy rainfall, moderate rainfall, low rainfall we can see. Same as it is only. And we can see in the climate. Moreover, we can see the climate. In the climate also we can see. What we will see in the climate? In the climate only temperature will be changed. No, sometimes heavy rainfall, sometimes a moderate rainfall, sometimes it will be less rainfall, and it will be southern or northern. Like sides wise also the rain is the falling. Yes or no? And they are having the heavy, sometimes it will be fall the heavy rainfall. And these all are discovered in the this all discussed about yesterday topics also. And today we are talking about the regions with heavy rainfall. Means we know about the rainfall. Yes, we can know about the rainfall. What is the regions? Why it will be fall the heavy rainfall in that place? Yes, and in the yesterday also we talking about the rivers also. Nile river is the biggest river in the Africa. Yes or no? We are talking. And today about the regions. What will be having the regions? That only we are discuss. It is a heavy rainfall. Okay, the region with heavy rainfall. The region with the heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall. What are you thinking about the region? We have in the regions now. What have? Why it is the more rainfall is falling? We can knowing about heavy rainfall with okay. And see, they are having the large of the Africa, the both sides of they are having the equators. In the large side they are having the both sides equators. You know about the equators. Where is the equator? The middle is the equator form. The middle. When the middle, it is forming the equator. In the large part of in the Africa, it is what will be having? In the middle they are having the equators. And the heavy rainfall, look at the regions. When the equator is in the middle, no, that time the heavy rainfall will be received. The more rainfall will be received. And the heavy rainfall on the map 3. Yesterday we can see in the map 3 no, how much rainfall means heavy rainfall, moderate rainfall, less rainfall we can see in map 3. Same also heavy rainfall once we see in your textbooks beta all of you. See, this is the map 3. In the map 3 what we'll see? See in the map 3 it is a heavy rainfall. The blue color it is a no colors wise. The blue color is a heavy rainfall. See, this is a heavy rainfall. But we are knowing of the heavy rainfall. We don't know how much rainfall. Very fast the rain will fall means yes, the heavy rainfall is fall. Like that we know no. In the map we are looking means in the blue color, the size also it will be different. Heavy, no, it is a heavy rainfall. And the next one, there are in the central, and they have central western Africa. In Africa they are having the central western Africa, and they have a denny forest. They are having the denny forest. Yes, in Africa they are having the green and forest, deserts also will there. In this also denny forest, and due to heavy rainfall, warm climate. See beta, nowadays all our peoples what they are saying, you have to growing the more trees. The more trees growing means heavy rain will fall. Nowadays all are keeping Haritaharam, like save the trees, save the water, like that. Anytime in green day, what we will do? Compulsory we have to plant any plant. Compulsory we have to plant it, no. Any plant, trees we have to plant it. Why it is a growing, no? It will be give to us a shed and the fruits, flowers, and after that it will give the wood also. Many things give the trees, and the more trees means the climate will be changed and the heavy rainfall also will fall. And the forest will be there having the more rainfall. Why? There is a greeny forest due to climate changes. That's why there will be heavy rainfall. This reason. What reason is there? There is the denny forest and greeny forest. Due to the climate change, it will be having the region of heavy rainfall. And the next, the region with moderate means what beta? They having the less rainfall. Heavy rainfall, somewhat the middle, in the middle. Moderate the rainfall and the scanty rainfall. The region with moderate and the scanty rainfall. In this region what will be there? Let's we know. See, look at from the region moderate rainfall, map 3. Again once we revise the map 3. See, but turn the paper and look at this in the map 3. What is there in the map 3? In the green color is there? No. In the green color, it is the medium rainfall. We can call a scanty rainfall, or moderate rainfall also we can call. See, here is a heavy, here is a somewhat less. It is a moderate rainfall. Okay, and see, it is a surrounding, it's a zone of heavy rainfall. In their surroundings, they are having the zones, tropic of zone, like we will be having the zones, no. In that surroundings, they are having the zones, and heavy rainfall. Zones also is there, means that's also they are having the heavy rainfall. And in this region, we moderate the rainfall. The rain is only in a summer. When the rain is in only in summer. Whereas rain throughout the year, it is a equatorial region. Equators, they are having equatorial region. Why? In the surrounding they have totally zones, no. That will be heavy rainfall. Sometimes what happen in the summer season also, sometimes it will be having equatorial zone. That's why the rain will be moderate and scanty rainfall. Okay, and the next, as in our country, suppose we are talking about in our country, they have the western distance in the due to zones of moderate rainfall. In India, when suppose in our country, they are having the more rainfall. Okay, we are having the rainfall. Sometimes what happen? They are having the moderate rainfall also. Sometimes heavy rainfall, sometimes low rainfall, sometimes moderate rain. 3 types of rains will be falling season wise. Yes, and the next, only in the moderate rainfall in the fall in India, Africa. Main. And due to moderate rainfall, why it will be fall in Africa? Let's we know. The tall of grasses growing in this region. You know tall of grasses when the growing on the garden like grass, it will be very tall. It will be very tall in Africa. And there in these places grasses are so tall, even the elephant also to not catching that trees, not to catch the trees, means it's very tall. The elephant how much will be there tall, and this trunk is will be there, no, it will be catch also, it will be very upside, very up, it will be having the trees, means which having the large trees. And in this region that is called savannas. Savanna, S-A-V-A-N-N-A, savanna. It is called as a long trees. And the next, look at the region, the map, different kinds of wild and inhabited region. You will read the letter. Means you have to read the letter better. They are having a different types of animals, inhabits. The animals' habits are different. They will look in the next. We are discussing the next thing. And a very large part of Africa is extremely, it will have dry and dry. It will be having extremely, we can see in the dry only. Where the rainfall is scanty, is no rainfall, they are having the several days. Sometimes it not having the scanty rainfall, not rainfall, it will be having totally dry only. It will be dry. And the next, almost half of the northern part of Africa is dry region. It is the almost half of the year, it is the dry region only. Is called as a Sahara Desert. Yes or no? There is a desert, is say no. That's why it is a dry up. It is called as a Sahara Desert. What is mean by Sahara Desert? What is mean by Sahara Desert? Sahara Desert. It will be question, madam. What is mean by Sahara Desert? Means what? The half of the almost northern part of Africa, it is a dry region, is called as a Sahara Desert. We can see in the map, in the northern side it will be having, no. Where is the Sahara Desert in the map? We can see in the northern part side, we can see the Sahara Desert. And the next, they are having the thorns and the bushes, thorn trees, bushes. It will be having the very big trees. They are having the big trees. In the desert, but there are having no trees. In the desert, no trees. But thorns means it will be having the very needle like it will be having the trees. Okay. And the next, short growing some parts of in the desert, means some plants will be having the very long, it will be bushes, some will be short thorns like grasses like will be having in the desert. Their plants will grasses growing in the desert. And the next, they are having a large traces of sand and berry hills. Sand and berry hills means what you see, but in when we are seeing in the desert, when we are seeing in the desert, no, they are having the billy like hills like sand will be having. In the total in the desert they are having sand, and you know, sand, no, that sand will be like hills will be forming. Sometimes very, why it will be hills will be forming? When the wind, air is forming fastly, no, that time it will be formed like a hills. Like it will be formed like a hill zone. And next they are having the hills and stones, pebbles in the south and another there. Means they are having as a stones, pebbles, like all will be there. And next they are having in the south, they are another ride. It is called a region. The north side part ride is called as a Kalahari Desert. They are having the Kalahari Desert. The two questions beta. Write any two types of desert. Write two types of desert. What are the deserts? There are two types of desert, that is Sahara desert and Kalahari desert. Sahara desert and Kalahari desert. The two types of deserts will be there. It is a northern side of northern. Sahara desert is the northern part of side is the Sahara desert. It is it will be having the south side. It is a south side of the pot. South pot. It is a north pot. Like that direction only we can keep it in your mind. When the map, in the map there will be point out the deserts, means we can find out the north side is the Sahara desert, south side is the Kalahari desert, like find out in your mind better. And the next, see the pictures of the different areas of Africa. We can see the more in the chapters. We can see in the chapters how much we will be having the more trees. And see better some for a Denny forest. Denny forest means they are having the more evergreen forest will be there. And in the another area, trees and grasses are grown together. Trees and grass. The trees will be having the long. The grass is also long, but is not heavy like a trees. It will be stop on the down only, in the middle only. It will be growing the grass. At a time only, it will be grow the trees and the grass. And moreover, together they are having the grasses means shrubs. Still the area they are having the vegetative to all. Vegetated to all. Means it will be growing the shrubs, trees, grass at a time in one place, vegetative to all the that. And the next, peoples of Africa. Peoples of Africa. Peoples of Africa. What are you knowing about the peoples of Africa? See, the peoples having the different languages. The peoples having the different language. Yes, almost we are knowing. Not a all are say one language they are not talk. No, the peoples are talk with different languages. They are having a different lifestyle, habits. All are different. Language, lifestyle, habits. Almost all will be different. And the next, they are having region in Africa. We are talking about in Africa. Since in ancient time they have the peoples lived in a small ancient time. Means since in ancient time there was a small of the tribal peoples. And next they carrying the hunting, gathering and animals husband agriculture. Hunting and gathering, and they are doing the agriculture field. And next, hunting is a habitat. Yes, they are compulsory. Their hunting is a habitat. And next, they are having the desert. In the desert only, they have inhabit high plateau, grazing their animals. When they are having the more grasses, no, that time they will catch the animals and grazing the animals. And moreover, agriculture have been carried river banks and wells. Means when they are growing the agriculture field, no, that time they need to water, no, the near the tanks, near the seas, like that, or wells, like that they will be growing the agriculture fields. And next they are having the several cities on the coasts, and traders from the distant countries come to trades. Means sometimes our trades go to other countries, other trades come to our countries, like the export and import traders will be there. Okay, and see whether this is the bamboo tree. It is a very big types of tree. We can see big types of tree. And okay, today we have completed this much only up to peoples of Africa, and the remaining topic tomorrow we can discuss. And what you will do you know better, and you have to read the lesson, keep the underline and write in your book. Compulsory you have to read the 1 time or 2 times the spellings while the writing. After you are writing, no, and once you revise how many and written the hard words, like that you have to read better. Okay, thank you.